Welcome to another class with me. My name is Ming, and today we're going to look at this particular question. How do I solve for an unknown in this particular form? That is the ratio of this particular form where you have two digits and with one possible unknown quantity. All right, so let us go started. So you might have a question like this, that is given 2.7 2 to 7 to 10 is equal to 1 cube over 5. I'll make it a bit larger for you to see. Right. And you need to solve for the unknown cube. So the first step that you do could be this. Rewrite. That is, identify the relevant proportion. So here I need to look at 2 to 7, and 1 to cube. So I identify the relevant proportions. And now I need to solve for cube. So I can cross multiply this thing. So I get 2 cube equal to 7. Right. And then next thing is that I can now make the unknown the subject. So that means I need to divide both sides by 2. So q equal to 7 over 2 or 3.5. Simplify if needed. This is already the simplified form, so I don't need to do anything. All right, and then the next question is this. So given that we have now up to this ratio, 4 to 1 to 12 is equal to 6 to z to 18, find the unknown z. So it's the same thing. What we're going to do is to identify the two, maybe what you can say is that the two number, the relevant proportions is 4 to 1 and 6 to 7, for example. So this is written as 4 over 1 equal to 6 over 7. Z is at the bottom, so I need to cross multiply this. So get 4z times 6 times 1, so it's 6. So now make z the unknown z the subject, so divide both sides by 4. So 6 divided by 4, and now I simplify. Z is equal to 3/2 or 1.5. All right, as simple as that, isn't it? Next, I look at the next questions. The next question here is a bit more difficult. Actually, it is two questions combined together. So you can think of the first part being this. And the second part is 2 and 7 with 2 to 7 and 14 to s, for example. So let us deal with the first part. That is, relevant thing to do is that I will take that 2 over 3 is equal to 14 over r, cross multiply, so you get 2r equal to 14 times 3. Now make r the subject, so divide both sides by 2, so it's 14 times 3 divided by 2. Simplify this, is 14 divided by 2 is 7. So 7 times 3 is 21. So r is equal to 21. And then the other side, the relevant thing is 2 to 7, or 2 divided by 7, 14 to s, 14 over s. So 2s equal to 14 times 7, make s the subject, so divide both sides by 2. So 14 times 7 divided by 2, 14 divided by 2 is 7. So 7 times 7 is 49. So here is the process. Please remember this particular process. Right? And that's it. Thank you.